And 25 minutes before the opening bell. 25 minutes before the opening bell. SMCI took a huge dump. Apparently some of their employees were selling some of their technology to China. Allegedly. But they are dumping 26% down in the pre-market. A lot of it happened last night in the after hours. Interesting. Yeah, they're not even mentioning it here, huh? I guess an hour ago. Over chip smuggling allegations. Super Micro SMCI down 26%, and it looks like it's still kind of falling. I mean, if you've got some employees that are selling some of your secrets, I mean, they'll go to jail, but the company still like trugs along, right? Like what would be, I don't really see the massive fall just because it was some employees. Now, I mean, there might be more information that I just don't understand. Very possible, but it seems like it's a little overdone. Probably a good opportunity to buy some options. Just out of the money up there, just to see what happens. Nubaru, what are they going to do today? Nubaru has been trying to run. It wants to run. %70 stake in Techni. Dual defense and security platform company focused on non-kinetic effects directed energy technologies. They got the pew-pew lasers, bro. They got the lasers. They want to hook them up on drones. Still early. Watch out for it, guys. Potentially have a runner move there. Data Vault currently sitting at 78.41 in the pre-market. 17 minutes before opening. Yeah. Do. Just watch these big moves in the morning. We gotta see what the day wants to kind of bring us. Good morning, you skeptical traders. We have 15 minutes before opening bell. 15 minutes before opening bell. Currently, we are watching DVLT today. Data Vault AI, currently sitting at 78.20. Let's back out, show you on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we popped all the way to 99 and we are settling right around that 74. We're bouncing from 74 to 82 for all of you swing traders, day traders. 74 to 82 seems to be pretty consistent. Once we break 82, we'll touch 86, break that 86, we're on to a dollar. Not financial advice. Just waiting for opening bell. Good morning, everybody. I hope this is not a slow day. If it's going to be a slow day, I am taking the day off. Interesting. Trying to get it on kick, I don't understand. Okay. I don't know why it's happening that way. Why does it keep kicking me offline? Interesting. I keep saying I'm offline, but I'm not. I don't know, I guess. Keeps kicking me off. We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes before open. I don't know why it keeps going offline. Weird. I don't know if you guys happen to be on kick, let me know. And when I go back to it, it's showing it. And then it keeps kicking me off. Interesting. Not 100% sure. I'm not really going to worry about it. All right, countdown is up on the board. Countdown is on the board. 2 minutes. Stay hydrated, my friends. Stay hydrated. All right, here we go. 79.69 is going to be the leg up. We're going to see it's going to take its leg back down like it did yesterday. Yep. All right, here we go. I like it. It's doing exactly what it did yesterday. Be looking for 74 to hold. If 74 breaks, then we're going to reevaluate some stuff, but I would expect this area right here to hold. Yeah, we're gonna let probably that first 15 minutes. Let it do what it needs to do. Yeah, level two, where we at? Okay, level 2, we're sitting at 78.25 is gonna be the wall. Looks like we have support sitting around 74.62 and 74. $75s. It's going to start wicking up here. $75.41. NVIDIA is currently at 177. Still keeping an eye on Buru, B-U-R-U, looking for a move up on that one as well. I don't think it's going to be today, though. Big buy order coming in, 50,000 at 75.60 on the level 2. Again, there is walls at 78.11, 78.25. The walls at 78.25. Break it down, break it down. There's a big difference in the spread right now, so be careful. I have a feeling this thing's gonna halt today. I have a feeling it's gonna halt. Wall's now at 77. They're moving the wall down on us. 77. First 5-minute candle and opening is chill. It's just sitting there, touching, you know, pre-market low. We're all right. No walls on level 2 all the way to 79. Just need the buy orders to come in. They're trying to tank it. They're not going to. Again, no walls all the way back up through 79. No walls. A little bit of volume, this thing will reverse real quick. They put a wall back on that level 2 back at 78.25. 78.25 is the first wall that I see. Let's go check on the market real quick. Currently, most active for the day, 276 million is Aztra, AZTR, then GA Limited, Lee Bang, a bunch of Chinese crap. All right, well, good for them. We spoke a little earlier on that Super Micro SMCI. Guess some of their employees was selling some of their computer chips to China, so they're taking a 27% hit on that. Nvidia is currently down almost a percentage point. I don't see a lot of like tremendous names, a lot of small little healthcare stocks. I expect them to run in the first like half hour every day. Apple's down almost 0.1%. Nothing there. All right, who's the top gainers? Top gainers is a bunch of bull crap. Planet Labs is cranking. What the hell's Planet Labs doing? They had a revenue beat. You gonna load or what? What the hell? Planet Labs is running, that's for sure. I would look for a shorting position here, though. I mean, look at that gap. Damn, dude. That's wild. Yes, sorry, but yeah, this is over. This is overbought for me. Like, there ain't no way I would hop into this right now. I mean, you could run up a little scalp trade for a few pennies or whatever, but I'm good, man. I'm good on that. Alright, let's see. We're back to Data Vault. Data Vault looks like it's trying to recover here. We're coming up. We got 4 minutes left for this first 15-minute candle, so let's just relax. See what it wants to do. Currently, we are looking for 80 to break. Currently looking for 80 to break. Yeah, we should see 78 here in a few minutes. Pop back to 77. Look at that. Went to 77. Ricocheted down. 3 more minutes. Let that these 5 minute candles. You are getting a 1348 cross down on the 5 minutes, so be careful. We could see some potential downward movement. All right, let's see. Looks like the market is bleeding at the moment. Why is it still showing pre-marketed? Like, Weeble's not even updating. Weird. Alright, let's see. Bitcoin, where are we at for Bitcoin? Bitcoin's hovering right around that 70,000 mark. $70,268. Silver sitting around $71, $71.50. Mara sitting at that $9. Bitfarms, get ready for them. Once Bitcoin starts moving, Bitfarms will recover. Currently sitting at $2.38. Oil and gas, they're moving a little bit. Occidental Petroleum's up 2%. ExxonMobil up almost 2%. The tech sector tanking off, dude. Sheesh. Unusual Machines down 11%. DataVault is currently down 5%. Super Microcomputers down 25%. Getting wrecked. On the tech side there for the semiconductors, you're looking at On Semiconductor and Intel Corporation battling it out at like 1.6% up for the day. Some little stocks that I put on the watch list here. We got New Era Energy and Digital sitting at $5. AES Corp, $14. The big losers in this category is about 2.5% down on Lithium Americas. Unity Software is down 2%. Critical Metals is down almost 2%. JFB Constructions is up 1.5%. Watch out for that JFB Constructions. They're making drones for the whole Trump war and all that crap. So probably going to be pretty profitable. Let's look at the big hammers of the day. The big hammers, looks like Tesla is down 1.3%. Microsoft's down 1.2%. Google is down 1%. Everything else is pretty much just flat. All right. Buru is trying to run. Let's take a look at Buru. Buru it did make its cross. It is trying to see if it can hold above that 19 for the day to continue its upwards movement. It's got a long recovery to go, but your MACD's crossing up. Everything looks pretty good. There's a lot going on for Buru if you trade it. Nice little penny stock. Let's see, Data Vault. We want to see you run today. Let's see, Data Vault. All right, not doing much on that 15. We're just kind of hovering here, so that's good. Starting to curl up. All of this is not financial advice. Do not take all my advice. Currently sitting at 75.14. 75.14. Just trying to find a little bit more information on that deal, man. All right, so we are breaking down a little bit. The 74 area needs to try to hold. If not, we could potentially see that 69 area again. All right, currently sitting at 73.13. 73.13. I'm just kind of talking to Grok here. I'm really not sure what to think about this this merger. I get it. They're getting another platform. They're adding some things, but this is definitely going to dilute the shares. So anytime now, I would assume that we're going to start hearing about an offering. All the way down to 73. So it broke that line. I'm going to readjust that line there a little bit then, huh? If it broke it that easy. Not really, man. That's kind of where it's at. Fuck it. I don't care. Alright. Where's my other account at? Could potentially just reposition, because this definitely looks like it's going to start adding some down pressure. Unless we see something crazy here, we're going to get this spike back up. But it did this yesterday, but it did not fully recover the way I thought it was going to. Trying to take control back of the 74 now. We need a clean break of the 74 back to 76. Looks like it's going to continue downward pressure here. I'm going to see if it gets bought up. Let's look at level 2. All right, so level 2, we're not seeing any big buy orders down until 72.43. So this is going to continue dropping. They're definitely tanking it. Shorts are trying to give us everything they got, huh? They're not giving us much of anything. There's no walls. There's no walls at all. There's just no buying pressure coming in. We're very low on volume for right now for the day. We're only sitting at 8.62 million. This is a big drop today. This is not good. All the way back down. $71.58 would be the stopping point. This is hella pressure down right now. The 2 hours starting to give you a 1348 cross down. 1 hour gave it a long time ago. Busted right through that 200 EMA on the 1 hour. So you're chilling at the 4 hour and it's already breaking. Yeah. May reposition some things here. It broke through all the support. What is the current short interest on this thing? Alright, just a quick search on Grok. It says 84.8 million to 88 million shares are sold short currently, 15 to 17% of the float. Yeah, we're starting to lose it here. I think I'm going to be getting out of this. I at least just want to hold it until 9:30, but this is getting pretty stupid. There's literally no walls. They're just moving the buy orders down. So the buy order right now is currently at 71 and 70. So every penny move, they're just putting walls and buy orders, but they're moving them down when it gets there. So there's the wall at 71. It's the current bid, so we're going to see if it's actually going to hold it or if they're going to move it. This is crazy. Trying to watch the sales. 136,000 there. Ooh, those are some big sell orders. That's a brutal drop. No support whatsoever. Yeah, that just straight shit the bed. Cool. Yeah, I'm out of that one. Fuck that. I ain't letting it eat into that. I'm actually pretty surprised this thing hasn't halted yet. Is this gonna be the area? No. Dude, that pressure's big, dude. So now the only buy order we have is sitting at 70. Do. Devil's like, hold on, guys, don't give up on me. Devil shit the bed. Watch this thing be back all the way back over to 82 in after hours tonight. Deadfall works like that. I don't know why, but it looks like it's trying to recover right here. Alright, well, that's that. Let's go just check on a couple of things. I don't want to watch that depressing shit. Alright, here goes Nubaru. Buru is trying to break that 21 again. Let's go, Buru. Boo with a crank up, huh? Let's watch this one. It wants to run today. See what it wants to do. It's already over its average volume for the day. I do like that. see what Buru wants to do. Get that crack above 21. Buru can run today. All right, Data Vault. It's recovering. Whew. If this doesn't recover today, I'm definitely out of this. Well, you know, I have some in another account, but it's got a way better price point than this. I'm just scalping right now. Currently at that 72.66. Looking for the 74 to break. I don't know, man. I see weakness in this thing, man. I mean, I could be wrong. Data Vault does some weird things and just spikes, but this next like hour or two is going to be a little interesting. I feel like they just stop loss hunted everybody. Again, no walls. There's no walls, but there's also no buying actually happening. So take that into consideration. It only takes one massive scoop in for a buy to start moving this thing right back up. So, but there's no walls for there to be bought. But the down pressure just keeps happening. It's fighting. It's trying. Still no walls. Like little 1,000 share, 900, 100. Looking forward to regain its 74.50 area. Seemed like a stupid drop that didn't really need to happen. So now there's a 50,000 share sell order at 76. 76. It's trying, man. It's trying to recover. The volume doubled in the past like 20 minutes. Let's see what it wants to do here, man. Like 73 is breaking. I might have panic got out of a little bit of that, but I'm tired of watching these things just drop. Well, alright. Looks like it might be just a day with the kids. Might go golfing. Because I do not want it. I'm starting to get the algo trading feel here now. It doesn't look, it's not looking like legit real movements. So now they just slapped the big buy order, 164,000 at 72.80. 72.80. And then there's another one, 50,000 at 75. I think we're just seeing algo trading at the moment. Time and sales. They're not even connecting off. Yeah. We're up to reach that 75 order. The spread is starting to grow. This is an interesting turnaround. That was a huge buy order that just happened. What was that? How much? Fuck, I lost it. It's moving too fast. Sorry, guys. So now there's two huge buy orders, 73 and 75. Over 150,000 each. Let's see. Looks like the 70's holding strong. Alright, so currently we are looking for 76, actually 77 to regain control. Buy order, big sell order is at 73. Yeah, the 5-minute technicals, they're curling back around. We just gotta hold it right here until we can curl. Everybody's all mad. You sold. Man, I sold some of it. Like, calm down. The whole market looks like it's pretty much down right now. Yeah, the whole market's taking a dump. A huge dump. How's that? Unusual machines. Tech. check on Boo-Boo. It's over its volume. Why is this thing not running? Let's get some Boo-Roo love. Get some Boo-Roo love. Let's get it cracking. This thing doesn't have any walls either, man. It's pretty wild. I don't know why it's not actually moving though. I'll add a little right there. Alright, data vault looks like it broke that 73 mark. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'll be right back. Come on, Data Vault, you can do it. All right, where are we at? Where are we at? All right, Deadbolt's currently sitting at that 73.67. 73.67, trying to break up. Looks like it's already struggling with that. Just needs a little more time. Nubaru. Buru. 1938. 1938. 19 cents. 1938. Looking to break the high of the day. Working on trying to get to the pre-market high of the day. It's another one I'm playing as well. Other than that, I'm not really seeing anything that I've been playing. Advanced Micro Devices is down 2% to $200 today. Everything's down. Market is tanking. Market's down. Yeah. Let's see, most active. Bunch of China bangers. That's what it looks like, bunch of China bangers. I don't know if you guys can read that clearly on your screen. I hope you can. News of the day. Bankers have new cause to fret about. Yeah, they're just taking our money, man. Tesla in talk with Chinese firms to buy $2.9 billion worth of solar equipment. Ooh. Interesting. Jerome Powell offers preview of Warsh's headaches. Rivian shares gain on up to $1.25 billion investment from Uber. Ooh, that's big. That's big. Interesting. Stalling Honda is ready for a breakup. Honda's gonna break up, huh? That's pretty cool. Alright, top gainers. All the little Chinese stocks. And then the top losers. Natuzi. I've heard that name before. It's just a bunch of fucking shit I've never heard of. Linkers, that was a big mover yesterday, wasn't it? It was on the list. I don't know what list. It came across a list. I don't know. I don't remember. I didn't trade it. I didn't care. Yeah, I don't know, man. Lithium Americas is down. Northern Dynamics is down. Critical Metals is down. All your rare earths are down right now. Everything is, man. Welcome to the Trump economy, huh? Yeah, got a couple oil stocks moving. That's pretty much about it. I do like this eco-petrol, man. Brazilian gas. It's overextended in my opinion. How's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin still hovering at 70,000. Silver under 70 now. Oklo, they're up 2% for the day. I'm not seeing, is there any news on that? Oklo's Meta deal. Oh, okay. They're getting a bump with Meta. Oklo announced a major financing partnership with Meta to support its first commercial 1.2 gigawatt nuclear power campus. Oh, dude, that's huge. Yeah, I agree. That's big. I like that for Oklo. I do like that for Oklo. This has been going down for a while. That could be a partnership with Meta, building a Meta campus, a nuclear Meta campus. I do really, really like that. 4 hours trying. 2 hour. Yeah, I think we're seeing bottoms. This is something worth getting into. The option's good. Let's go out to, like, say August. Ooh, damn, they're expensive. Holy moly, that's crazy. All the way to 120. That's wild. Holy shit. Yeah, this should be pretty big. You know what? I'm gonna buy one for shits and giggles. We're gonna buy one share. One share, and we'll do it at market. We're gonna buy a market share. Stop with my damn mouse, dude. Alright. I'm in on Oklo. Taking a stab on Oklo. With the Meta deal. That was 10 hours ago, so like there was already this move. Definitely, if I would have caught it earlier, I wish I would have paid attention to it. I've been so focused on this dumbass data vault, and now it wants to play games with us. So. Coming up on a 2-hour stream. 2 hours. Two hours, no listeners, no likes. Welcome to America, baby. Talking to myself. So no squeeze today. Definitely no squeeze today. The week kind of just seems kind of dead if this is how it's going to end. It started off pretty good, man. Yeah, we're just chilling here. MACD's trying to cross back up. It's just soaking it up right now, so it's just trying to build a little strength before it goes to 76. Trying to see if it's going to break down one more time. I do believe that 62 still needs to be tested, right? Am I wrong on that? No, not necessarily. You think we see that 69 one more time? I do think we do see that one more time. That 68.47 just keeps sticking out on my chart. So we're gonna see. It's trying to like gain its momentum here. Like I'm struggling trusting it at the moment. I lost a little bit of my faith in this with its merger, because I have a feeling they're going to be releasing their information. Hey, we're doing an offering. And the offering is only going to go to them for this agreement. And we're just going to get diluted like crazy. So yeah, I'm not sure how we're gonna play that. Not sure how we want to play that. Okay. Buru is now trying to break that 20 cent mark. Buru is trying. People freak out when you tell them, like, oh, I'm selling, you know, okay, I'm out of this position. Like, you trader, you're the death of our company. Like, what the fuck? Alright. So here's that Buru. It did break that 20 mark, came back down. It's retesting, getting ready to go for another run. Let's see what it wants to do here. Let's watch it for a minute. We'll watch it since DVLT's just kind of going sideways. Let's see what we can pick up. Boom, boom, boom. That beat's gotta change. Yeah, that New Fortress Energy, bro, they tanked for spinning off their little Brazil unit. I believe it'll rebound, but yeah, it definitely tanked. All right, Buru, what do you want to do here? It's trying to double its volume, its average volume. It's going to double that for the day. And it's pushing. It already broke the high of the day, came back, pulled back. It's trying to make its next leg up high is going to be from pre-market of 21 cents. So it's only a penny away from breaking the high. I believe it'll be okay. Data Vault is currently pulled back down to 72.10. Nvidia is down at 175. SoFi at $17 a share. Alright. Looks like it's just kind of chilling there. Oklo. Definitely pay attention to Oklo now. I am currently in a position in Oklo. We're currently up 2.5%. No. That's just for the day. Hold on. Yeah, my bad. That's not my position. Alright. Let's see the big losers so far. Meta Platforms is down 2% for the day. Tesla's down almost 2% for the day. AMD is down 1.5% for the day. Everything is down for the day. Critical metals down 5%. Lithium America's down 5%. Walt Disney is at least green, but it's basically even. Oil and gas seems to be the only thing moving at the moment. Matador Resources up 2.7%. Occidental Petroleum's up 2.3%. Exxon Mobil's up 2%. MicroStrategy has fallen below that 140 mark again. Bitcoin is below 70. Bitcoin could not hold that 70. Okay, that's pretty much the little quick market update. We'll go back to Data Vault. I think you're just seeing weakness in Data Vault too because of the weakness of the market. It did pull back down to 72.10, 72.11. Bouncing there. Almost 2.5 hour stream. I think the kids are gonna be waking up soon, so I'll probably call it here soon. Okay, 72 did break down, so now you're looking at 71 currently. I believe we are going to break that 70 mark. Back into the 60s. 60s is the loading zone, so get ready with your paper. Currently still hovering around that 72 mark. Currently on the 5-minute candle, we are oversold. MACD is completely blown out. It needs to recorrect itself here. If it can't recorrect itself here, we're definitely going to see that 70 break. Currently, the wall is sitting at 74, and then the big wall of 150,000 is sitting at 75. They're trying to throw walls at it. It's getting eaten up. 72.50 is the big wall for the buy order. They keep trying to throw it at it, but it keeps eating it. Seems like we might have bottomed out for the day. I would like to see the test of at least 75. We need to see 75 regain control here. They just hit us with a short attack, and it is what it is, right? We need to regain control. Let's check on some of the others real quick. Aklo is just chilling. That's a huge deal with meta. Don't sleep on Aklo. All right, so Nubaru is going for that 21 mark now. Here's Buru's move. We're looking for the 21 to break. Told you guys about this for a couple days now, down in the 17s and 16s. Let's see if it can gain some strength here. See if it can get past that 21. It's almost double its average volume. The volume is not a concern here. Not a concern. Here's the 21, and are we gonna break? Are we gonna break it? And we broke it, okay. So there's the pre-market high. Pre-market high has broken on Buru. It cleared yesterday's high as, or yeah, no, it didn't have a high yesterday, honestly. Let's see right there. That's the break line. Next retest of 2183. 2183, 5-minute candle on the RSI is pretty high. Look for a little bit of pullback and sideways movement, unless this is just run time. But be cautious of the pullback. Good move for Buru. Good move for Buru. Data Vault looks like it is trying to recorrect itself as well. We're getting ready on the 1-minute candles. We are looking for a 1348 cross to back up. And that'll give us a 75 push retest. Come on, Data Vault. I had bigger plans for you today. I didn't want to wait another week. Tired of being in this chop. This chop. It does this chop all the time. Boom, 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 boom. And then it spikes. So yeah, I mean, we're looking for 74, over 74 close today. Still puts it bullish. It'll be okay. Company's got a lot going for it. Not too concerned in that aspect. Let's go back to Buru. No, Buru came back down a little bit. Told you that RSI was a little high, so let's just see if we can see that 20 hold and then make its next leg. Aqua looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Critical metals took a dump. Where are we at? We're coming up. Make it like do about another 15 minutes. And I'm going to call it a day. Yes, this is kind of setting up exactly like it did yesterday. So watch you got the drop. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see the little movements, but the drop, the pull back up, the drop, and then it just basically ripped. Had a big drop. Expect the same thing. Back, all the way back up. Could potentially hit that 77 mark up here. Yeah, 77. Look for 77, and then it could just come right back down and just hover right around 74 for the day. If that happens, I'll come back and clip it. I'll show you guys. I said it. Not that anybody's listening, but I said it. It's just algo trading. That's all we're looking at now. Algo trading. This is not like human behavior or anything. And we're very low on volume today. So we'll see if that volume picks up towards the end of the day, because this was kind of a weird move for this to happen today. I believe 75 does need to correct itself, and it'll be back up there just fine. Not financial advice. check Buru, yeah. Buru came back down to 20 and a half. Yeah, it broke its 21 high, so. Oclo's pulling back a little bit. Bitfarm's cratering along with Bitcoin. Yeah. Bitcoin lost its 70 mark. Did it regain it back? But yeah, it lost its 70 mark. Where's it at? Bitcoin, yeah. Yeah, it's still below 70 again. Yeah, there's a lot of downward pressure in the market right now. I'm probably gonna give it about 5 more minutes. I'm tired of watching this. I hate these days when they do this. Let's see, what does the analysis look like? Let me move it. Short interest. Almost 3 days to cover. Institutions are slowly piling in. The order flow is massively weighing on the bulls' side. ETFs. ETFs have not added it yet. Have not added it yet. Yeah, it's definitely, it's looking like algo trading. It's so painful to watch algo trading. So they're buying in 9,000 blocks. They're buying and selling in 9,000 blocks at like half a penny increments. Yeah. Trying to watch it a little bit more. Because that looks like it is kind of happening. Looks like we're just accumulating in this area. They're buying in 9,000 blocks and buying and selling 9,000 blocks. Because there literally is no wall there. There's no reason for it not to be running. Okay, so 72.60 seems to be the kind of standard here. And it just went reverse. It went reversed on green buys though. There's big buy orders and it went red. Okay, so it's breaking itself down. I think I'm going to call that good for me for the day for the stream. I'm going to get out of here with the kids. I am going to place a little buy order down here at 68.5 and see if it picks me up. I got out up here at, what was it, 72.40 something. pump. I feel like as soon as I end the stream, it's gonna rip. It's all good. We're getting some movement. Come on, baby. That's a big buy order. Break it. Yeah, this is algo. Okay, I'm done. I'm done watching algo trading. I appreciate anybody who comes in, watches the stream. If you happen to pop in, drop a like, drop a subscribe, all that good nonsense. Until again, we'll see you on the flip side. Deuces.